Hello, I am Easton Legend. And I'm Dylan. So, we're attempting to flip these things you call monster trucks and get them each landed on the same try. Yeah, that's gonna be hard. Let's see. Number 7. Remember, this is the end of this short, and we need you to hit 10 subscribers. 10 subscribers, okay? So, what we need you to do, just subscribe, even if you hate us. You can unsubscribe later. Just subscribe.
All we ask is you subscribe, leave a like on this video. We hope you enjoyed.